Coach, this is an exciting one. We're back to Wagner, the W.
Yeah, we're back in Wagner, second round of playoffs, and I tell you, the weather's getting cooler and the competition's getting better. It's a great time of year to be playing and coaching.
You couldn't ask for a better game last week either.
Played really well, probably the most complete game we've had all season. Played all three phases really well. Our offense, defense, and special teams played great football and got a big win over Jay at Jay. A district champion, so we feel like we're playing our best football right now, and we get a home game, so nothing better than second round quarterfinal football at home against a great opponent.
They showed shades of greatness last week, and it looked like at any time they might could come back, but you were able to stop them. I mean, you bent a little bit, but you didn't break.
Yeah, defense has played really well all year, and last week our offense got off to a quick start by going down and scoring early in the game, and Prince really had a nice game throwing the football and loosening up their defense where then we could run, and it was one of our better running attacks that we've had all year. Applegate had a nice night, as well as Prince, and it was just overall a very balanced attack offensively, and did a good job at controlling the quarterback from Jay, and then our secondary, again, had 2 more interceptions, which brings us up to 20 on a season, which is really good.
Well, all week long you've been telling the kids it's going to be a madhouse here on Friday tonight, and I'm sure it's going to be, we got to be ready, right?
Got to be ready. Douglas is definitely a great opponent. They knocked off the #1 team last week, Glenpool, and they did it in convincing fashion, winning 14-0. They've got a great run defense. Really big on the offensive and defensive line, and then very athletic in the backfield. So it's going to be a game where we have to bring our A game, play really well, and capitalize on maybe some mistakes that they might make and give ourselves a chance late in the game.
Well, Coach, it's well known that they got a lot of athleticism and size and speed, right?
Definitely, and they're really better at running the football than anything. We feel like if we can get them in passing situations, that's going to give us the best chance to be successful. We feel very good about the way our secondary is playing, especially if they're in a situation where they know you're going to throw the ball. We feel good about our odds of coming up with some of those balls throughout the night.
And hopefully we have a little more tradition than they do.
Well, we'd like to think we have here lately. No doubt that we're one of the few, if any, other programs that have won playoff games 5 straight seasons. We've been here before. Our kids know what to expect. Our fans know what to expect. We know they'll be out in full force, so hopefully it'll be a hostile environment for them to have to come into, and we'll be able to work our magic one more time.
No doubt about it. It's championship football here tonight, and we'll be back in just a moment.